Okay, this is a little update on some of the bud ends that we planted a while back on some of the vegetables in the house. These are onions. These over here, you can dig down, get into the roots, and see that they're turning into onions. And these over here, you can see the actual bulb growing on them. And those were some of the ones that we planted. And if you can see right there, see that? That is the little bit of the butt hanging down there, right there, that we had originally planted. So these are going to actually be full-size onions when they get done growing. So, you know, it's just now planting season here, really. And we got some garlic over here. I don't remember if I showed you on the last video or not, but we planted garlic down in here. Garlic and some more onions and stuff. And we've also this year done something called wicking buckets that I got the idea from Leon, Gardening with Leon. And we're growing all kinds of stuff in here. Got some tomatoes. We got okra over here. Tomatoes. These are sweet potatoes here. And back in that one. And here we have some Swiss chard. And back there we have some eggplant. Which seem to have taken a little bit of some sort of insect is getting a hold of those, but those are eggplants and some hot pepper. That might be the habanero, I'm not sure. I got it written down in the house. I think that one might be a habanero pepper. And these are Asian Thai peppers, the little short ones, and then I've got some other tomatoes and some other stuff back here. Got some cucumbers and squash around here, and that's kohlrabi right there, and some more peppers. So as you can see, we don't have much room to plant a garden anywhere. So what we've done is we've done container gardening, and also have some squash and cucumbers here. We extended this out a little bit. Okay, over here on this side, we have a couple more wicking buckets that we have some green beans in that are called greasy cut shorts. And those are a variety of bean from the south here that are very, very popular. And they're hard to get a hold of, and they're expensive whenever you get them. So we've got those in a couple of buckets. Also we've got some squash right there. Love my straight neck squash. And as you can see, what we've done here is we're just using cardboard as a mulch for now until we can get to the mulch place and pick up some mulch, and we're going to put it over top of this. But this is like a weed barrier that I didn't have to buy. I got old cardboard boxes. Now if you look right here, I got a couple of 55-gallon drums, and I have a fertilizer solution in here, and these are, I'm doing in a Kratky hydroponic method. So these are going to be like full-grown cucumbers at some point, and full-grown squash, and you won't ever have to add any more water to this because it's got all the nutrients it needs in there all at one time. And so you won't have to water that or take care of it much at all. It'll just do what it does. And then over here we have a few for the kids. We have some smaller wicking buckets that I made, just so we could assign each one of the children a plant to take care of and see how they do. So we've done that. We have, once again, we have hot pepper, that's a Thai pepper, and some cucumber or some squash, and then a cucumber here. So that's what we got going on this side. And I don't have my little hydroponic greenhouse running this year due to some unforeseen circumstances. I've just let it kind of go and didn't have enough time to get it all together. Otherwise we'd have all kinds of tomatoes in there. This form of hydroponics that runs pumps really does a good job. And so maybe next year we'll get this one going again. But for now, that's what we got. And everybody take care out there, and we'll be back doing some cooking soon. Thanks.